In October 2025, the battlefield is no longer just land, sea, or air. It stretches into space, into the shadows, into the very fabric of modern technology. The US military is quietly unveiling a series of unprecedented advancements that could redefine warfare for decades. From stealth bombers slicing through hostile skies to hybrid supertanks rolling across deserts and AI-driven drones buzzing over urban landscapes, the tools of war are evolving faster than ever. A single B-2 Spirit stealth bomber glides silently over the rugged terrain of the Middle East. Its dark, almost spectral silhouette disappears into the night sky as it delivers precision strikes against high-value targets in Iran. Each mission demonstrates not only raw power, but the artistry of modern stealth technology. These bombers are equipped to deliver both conventional and nuclear payloads, with a precision that leaves no margin for error, a testament to decades of refinement. Meanwhile, somewhere deep beneath the ocean, US submarines silently position themselves, ready to launch coordinated strikes, their presence undetectable yet profoundly strategic. In parallel, engineers at General Atomics have tested the Long-Range Maneuvering Projectile, or LRMP. Fired from an M777 howitzer, this guided artillery shell can hit targets over 100 kilometers away, navigating obstacles with missile-like precision. Imagine a traditional artillery round, but now capable of weaving mid-flight, avoiding terrain, and striking exactly where intended. In tests conducted earlier this month, these projectiles demonstrated flawless accuracy, hinting at a future where conventional artillery meets the precision of modern missile systems. Above Earth, another frontier is opening. The US has unveiled a new space-based missile defense system known as the Golden Dome. From orbital platforms, it can detect, track, and neutralize threats targeting satellites or even intercept incoming ballistic missiles. It's a vision once reserved for science fiction, a protective shield in orbit, silently defending critical assets and ensuring that America maintains dominance not only on the battlefield, but beyond it. On the ground, the next generation of armored warfare is taking shape. The M1E3 Abrams tank prototype is rolling off the assembly lines, a hybrid behemoth of firepower and mobility. Its advanced composite armor glints in the sun as it maneuvers across rugged terrain, AI-assisted targeting systems scanning for threats hundreds of meters away. Every turret rotation, every calculated movement is designed to outmatch any adversary, blending speed, firepower, and survivability into one unstoppable force. Not far behind, the Rheinmetall HX-3 tactical truck is revolutionizing military logistics. Sleek and capable, it navigates harsh terrain with drive-by-wire controls and autonomous capabilities. Convoys of HX-3s can now operate with minimal human oversight, carrying essential supplies and personnel through areas previously considered impassable, all while ensuring secure digital communications against cyber threats. While armored vehicles dominate the land, the skies are being filled with a different breed of soldier. Stealth micro-drones, some smaller than a mosquito, are already being deployed for reconnaissance in dense urban areas and complex terrains. These tiny machines, nearly invisible to the naked eye, relay intelligence in real time, mapping enemy positions and providing a tactical edge previously impossible. In larger operations, the Switchblade 600 Block II loitering drone hovers silently, its AI-assisted targeting scanning for moving targets over a range exceeding 100 kilometers. When it strikes, precision is lethal, a true testament to the evolution of unmanned warfare. Across the seas, Northrop Grumman has delivered the first airborne laser mine detection system to South Korea. Flying low over coastal waters, its lasers scan the surface for hidden mines, providing unprecedented safety for naval operations. Meanwhile, in missile technology, the US has acquired the FP-5 Flamengo, a high-speed, precision-guided weapon capable of rapid deployment in combat theaters worldwide. It's another layer in a multi-domain strategy that ensures America remains capable of projecting power wherever needed. Each of these developments, while operationally distinct, forms a web of technological supremacy. On any given day, a hybrid Abrams tank might move into position just as micro-drones sweep the area for threats, while a B-2 bomber executes a high-value strike, and a satellite-based Golden Dome system monitors the sky for incoming dangers. Every domain, land, sea, air, and space, is interconnected, each advancement multiplying the effectiveness of the others. Visualize it. Under the glow of twilight, a convoy of HX-3 trucks rolls across a desert valley, while in the background, the M1E3 Abrams advances cautiously, sensors glowing faintly as it scans the horizon. Overhead, micro-drones weave through the air like swarming fireflies, silently feeding information back to a mobile command center. At the edge of the map, the Switchblade 600 waits, perched and patient, ready to execute precision strikes with a calm, almost clinical efficiency. Beyond the atmosphere, satellites of the Golden Dome system track every missile launch, every potential threat, ensuring that no danger goes unnoticed. The future of warfare is also a testament to the quiet, relentless march of technological innovation. From electromagnetic artillery rounds to AI-assisted loitering drones, each system represents years of research, testing, and strategic foresight. And even as these technologies evolve, they are integrated seamlessly into existing military doctrines, enhancing rather than replacing the tried-and-true spectrum of capabilities spanning every domain imaginable. Stealth, precision, and adaptability are no longer optional. They are the defining characteristics of modern military power. The U.S., through careful development and strategic deployment, is asserting dominance in every theater of operations. For the public and the global audience, these advancements serve as both reassurance and a warning. The U.S. military is prepared, innovative, and unyielding, ready to confront emerging threats while pushing the boundaries of what is technically possible. And while much of this remains classified or under active testing, the glimpses we see today hint at a force unmatched in capability and scope. From stealth bombers vanishing into the horizon to hybrid tanks reshaping ground combat, from swarms of microdrones to orbital defense systems, every element is part of a greater vision, a vision where technological edge and strategic insight converge to create an unparalleled military presence. All information presented here is based on publicly available sources as of October 18, 2025. What you've just witnessed is a snapshot of a future already arriving, a world where warfare is defined by precision, intelligence, and innovation.